So this is the showcase of the fighter jet. So this is basically a copy of ReliantShell's tutorial on how to make a jet fighter, but the main color of the plane is different. Also, the color of the nose is now gray. It's not the same color as the rest of the plane. Oh yeah, also, I made the engine the sun. Very nice fire, yes. I also added another seat. And the reason why the chair seating position is like this is so that the plane can turn like a real plane, as you can see right now. You can also go really slow to precisely aim your missiles. And these are the missiles I'm talking about. Very destructive. And last but not least, we have the minigun.